happens. And, was proud of Cole. Cole was a young man that he played hurt tonight. He didn't practice all week long, and was able to come out. And he didn't play perfect. He didn't play perfect. He had some mistakes, but a gutsy performance. He was continued to play hurt through the course of the game, and that says a lot about Cole. Cole's been a guy that's been a champion through this whole process. Obviously, we hated losing Deshaun. But our guys, we had to overcome a lot tonight. I mean, it was tough sledding. I'm gonna give them credit. They're every bit of as good as what we thought they would be, and might be one of the best defensive football teams that we've seen that we've played against since I've been here. They have incredible speed and really floated the football extremely well. And I give them a lot of credit, but we didn't play our best either.
Can you think of the last time you coached a game and the offense didn't score?
No, I don't know. I'd have to think about that for a long time. I don't know. It's been a while.
How much did Cole practice? How limited was he during the week?
He didn't get any rest.
No.
How does your offensive game plan change going forward now without Deshaun?
Well, I don't know. No. I mean, it'll be a little different. We'll obviously figure out some things that and try to realize how long he's going to be out and see how that's going to be. And that's hard to tell at this point. But obviously our game plan will change a little bit.
You had some short situations that didn't pan out.
Yeah, very disappointed though. And that's happened a couple of times this year. Of course, been very disappointed, unable to create some, and get a first down, especially on fourth and an inch or two, and then right there at the end of the game, go ahead and send everybody onto the car. That was tough. I wish we could have converted on those two. I thought right before half, we had a chance to come away with some points. We actually had the clock killed and got Cole on the sideline. Said, "Look, this is what we're going to do. We're going to sprint into the field, and then they just throw it away. We got points." And so that was disappointing. But again, that happens at times. But we got to get there.
After watching that offensive performance, where do you go from here?
Obviously we got to execute better. I thought the last drive of the game to burn 5 minutes off the clock. I thought that was a very big positive for us. I thought the drive right before half was a positive. And again, I want to give them credit. They got a good football team, but I thought we were able to burn some clock. Again, wish we could have got it in the end zone right there at the end. And so we got to go back. We got to go back and relook. We're not very deep up front, and I don't know how many guys actually played today up front, but I don't know if we had but 5. To be honest with you, we might have had 6 go in there. But those guys played hard. I will tell you that. They played hard. They didn't play perfect, but they played hard, and that's kind of been our motto and our theme with these guys all week long in practice. We've had to change kind of a little bit of some of the stuff, the way we practice because of our depth. But those are some things that we'll continue to work on.
Certainly Cole was out of rhythm from day one. Is he still as confident in running this entire system as he was at Georgia?
I think so, without a doubt. Cole is a senior. Obviously, he made a few mistakes tonight that you wish a senior would make. But a lot of that was the fact that the kid didn't practice all the time. And he warmed up. He would throw a little bit to see how he'd feel. But, so I think that's a combination of a few things. But I'm proud of them. They were able to come in and generate some things going on that last drive to really help us out.
As a play caller, how much pressure does it take off of you when you know you can rely on your defense and your special teams to come away with 23 points on the night?
Yeah, you don't really look at it like that. You try to be smart about it. Kind of going back to the Georgia game and I thought a little bit. Maybe I was a little bit too conservative. Kind of really leaning really hard in that thought process. Not so much tonight. I really wasn't that way tonight. And we were just trying to generate first downs. We were trying to just generate the third down conversion. It was extremely tough sledding night. But again, when you're able to play not up to our standard by no means and come away with a win, we can only build on that.
Chad, what's the challenge like for you personally going forward with the offensive line, the running game not getting much going? Situation.
Well, it's a how much do you say it's a challenge.